Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jasmine. Excuse how I look right now. I've come to eat. So first I'm going to tell you all what I have, and then we're going to go ahead and start today's topic. Also, I'm going to be doing the no wipe challenge. I don't know if that was only for lobster tail, but I'm still going to do it. So let's get started. Of course, I have my creation of the beloved Smackalicious sauce. This one I made a little bit more chunkier and a little more thick than the last time. I also have my drink. I just have some V8 juice and Kool-Aid. For the boil, I have jumbo shrimp. Of course, I have eggs. Of course, we have crab legs. And of course, we have corn. So I'm just gonna go ahead, Be Love Life sauce, recreation, because the packets are sold out. No wipe challenge. I heard you can't do this, you can't, no wiping, period. And the topic that I have to talk about today is annoying things guys do. I have written down some things. Now, people always suck the outside of the shrimp. I want to try it, never did it. I don't know why they do it. Or maybe just with the big shrimp, I don't know. Okay. I cooked the shrimp in some garlic butter. Okay. The sauce is delicious. So annoying things guys do. First thing I have on here is when guys stare. Like uncomfortable stare. Not like glance over and look at you, but when they like stare. Got some of this. Woo! Woo. And about the uncomfortable stare, like when you look at them, like stop looking, and then they keep looking. You don't do eggs in your boils. What are you doing? Ooh. I'm not wiped. Staring. It's just like, if you want to say something. But if you're not, then like stop staring at me. Period. Number 2. It's the most annoying thing when a guy hits you up on social media or, you know, asks for your number over and over. And you finally give it to him. And then you text them and they don't text you back. Or when you're texting them, they're dry. They don't have nothing to talk about. All they ask you is, what you doing? Like, why did you want my number? You're not saying what you doing, let's hang out. You're just saying, what you doing? Hey, good morning, good night. Could have said that on social media. This corn is what's gonna make me have a mess on my mouth. I feel the grief. Anyways, the next annoying thing that guys do is when this one and my next one go hand in hand. When guys have all these crazy, lame, wow excuses and they just lie just to just to, because they don't want to do something, or they don't want you to find out something. They make up the craziest things. They'll say, they'll be like, I was asleep, but they was just on Twitter tweeting. You know, it's like, all you have to do is be like, I was busy, or I didn't want to talk with you. Be real, I didn't get around to texting you back. My fault. Don't make up no excuse like, I had to take my grandma to church. You know, when you was just at home chilling. And then the lies. The lying be crazy. If you say you want to be with somebody and later on you realize you don't, or you want to still be single, that's all you gotta say. You don't gotta sneak around. You don't gotta cheat. Just be single. It's just, guys, do better. And I'm not saying only guys do this, but majority of the time, it's guys. I hate when people don't get the digestive tract out of the shrimp. Okay. Number 3, I don't know. I hate when guys hit you with the, what, I can't still be a friend? I can still be a friend. If you ask them for my number, and I tell you I got a boyfriend, 9 times out of 10, it's just because I don't want to talk to you. Half the time, girls don't even have boyfriends. Why can't guys take an L and keep it moving? I don't want you. Keep it moving. They want to chase you down. They want to curse you out. You should have got to me first, but you didn't. My boyfriend did, so leave me alone. And to be at the worst times, you just went out because you needed a drink for your meal that you just made at home. Cooling with your scarf on. And guys gonna be in your face. When I'm in the store getting all the seafood, my eyes be way bigger than my stomach. Another thing annoying guys do is hit you with the, why you wear makeup? Like, I'd much rather a person say, you look good without makeup. Not, why you wear makeup. It's like when women have something that makes them feel confident, makes them look good, makes them feel good, and guys don't like it. No matter what it is. Because makeup does not affect the guy in any type of way. Oop. These are a little fatty. That was so good, I had to go back in. It's hard to do a mukbang and talk, so I think I might start doing ASMR mukbangs. Because I just want to eat and not talk. But yeah, like, makeup is my life. Stop hating. I don't tell you to stop growing them beards. It's not happening. It's still patchy. I don't say that. Next annoying thing that guys do, that bros before hoes, because bros would trade you for a piece of butt. Your bros would trade you for some money, but your girl will stay down. I don't think it should be bros before hoes. It should be loyalty before anything. I could have known you for years, but your loyalty ain't as day one as the person I met last month. So forget that bros before hoes, girls before guys, whatever. Forget all that. It's whoever's been loyal to you, whoever been holding you down, whoever, you know, been messing with you. I haven't wiped my mouth. Okay. Annoying things guys do. I dislike, I'm not gonna say I hate, I dislike when guys think they're know-it-alls or are like overly cocky, overly confident. I'm just like, first of all, what you're saying is wrong and it's not factual, but I'll let you continue to be great. They just know they're right, and it's like, you can't go around like that, because there's people out here that really know what they're talking about. I'm the person to be like, are you sure? Because I'm pretty sure it's something else. I'm the type of person to correct you. How I correct you depends on the type of person you are. If you're that cocky, arrogant person that just know you're right and you just know everyone else is wrong, that's when I'm gonna come in and correct you. I'm gonna be like, no, according to Scientist 3000, you're wrong. I'm gonna do it like that. But if you know, you're humble about it, I'm be like, are you sure? Because when I read this, it said different. So don't be cocky. Don't be a know-it-all. Be willing to be informed in life. So while I'm eating this last claw, I guess I'll do my outro. I know I'm the worst mukbanger, but I'll get better. You know, maybe put this sideways so y'all can see me cracking next time. I don't know. Ooh. I hope you liked today's topic. It's been like 24-minute video and I have not wiped, so I think I won the challenge. So anyway, everything was good. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope you all like this video. Please give it a thumbs up for annoying things guys do, and please stay tuned for more videos.